Hello everyone! Recently I got a gift for my husband from Noon and I'm quite excited to unbox this with you. It's a coffee maker from their own brand, Noon East. Let's unbox and watch how it goes. This machine comes with a 15 bar powerful pressure pump, 1.2 liter detachable water tank, a high pressure frothing function, 2 cup stainless steel filter and a measuring spoon. Also, this device comes with overheating and overpressure protection. Now let's make 1 cup of coffee and take this measuring spoon and put it inside the stainless steel filter. I've already filled in the water over there and we need to securely lock it up. Okay, that's done. I'm going to switch on the coffee maker, and actually you need to wait till it turns green. I've already poured sugar in my coffee mug and place it right below the filter, and since it's green, then you need to press it. The coffee will pour down from the filter and you can stop at your desired level of coffee. I am okay with half a mug, so I'm stopping here now. The next step, I'll press this frother over here and wait till it turns green. Remove this black mug over here and place my mug below it. Just wait till it turns green. Now that you can see it's turned green, I will just turn this knob slightly on the left hand side. There is milk inside this cup. Be very slow and it's going to froth. After frothing, you should immediately wipe this off, otherwise it will turn like this. Since it's my first experience, I didn't know, and you can see it has accumulated over here. So make sure after frothing you immediately wipe it off and clean this nozzle. So now you prepare your desired quantity of milk in the coffee. Stir it and it's ready to drink. My refreshing cappuccino is ready, and this was possible with the coffee maker from Noon. You do get it too. I'm sure you will love it. If you enjoyed this video, do hit the thumbs up button and like this video. Also comment on it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Till next time, see ya.